This is page 60 without the ohms wheel. A 48-volt circuit contains a resistor of 16 ohms. How much current flows? So we want the formula that goes with E, I, and R, and that's ear. E equals IR. And if you set up your scaffold, we are looking for I. So anything that's not I needs to be on this side. So I'm going to divide both sides by R. Cancel. So I equals E over R, and I equals 3. 3 amps. Okay, number 10. A 60-watt lamp operates at 120 volts. If the resistance is 240 ohms, what is the current? So we have two choices here. We can use pi. I'm going to do them both, just in case you want to see one or the other. So set up your scaffold. We want to solve for I, so we want to leave I alone, and then anything that's not I, we're going to put over here. So I will divide both sides by E, and so I is going to be 60 over 120, or I is 1/2. So 1/2 of an amp. If you wanted to use ear, you could. E equals IR. And we're still looking for I. So we want to leave I alone, and then anything that's not I needs to come over here. So we're going to take the R, and we would get I equals 120 over 240, or 1/2. So either way you do it, I is 1/2 of an amp, or you could use 0.5. That would be fine. A circuit has a voltage of 48 volts and a current of 6 amps. What is the resistance? So I need E equals IR. Make your scaffold. And we are looking for R. So if it's not R, it needs to be over here. And that means I has to move. So R is going to be 48 over 6, or 8. And that is ohms. A car headlight operates at 12 volts and draws 3 amps of current. What is the resistance? So EIR will do fine for me here. And we have R is what we're looking for. So we'll line up everything that's not R on that side and divide it by I. So we get 12 over 3 equals R. So R is 4 ohms.